Hello ma'am, good afternoon. I am John Paul and welcome to Okada. May I help you with your luggage and also to take you to the reception desk?
Yes, thank you. We would like to stay at this hotel.
Okay ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Okada Hotel. May I know what type of room you've been looking for?
We'd like a suite room for 4 person.
Okay, ma'am. Certainly, ma'am. May I know how many nights will you be staying with us?
We will be staying for 5 nights.
Okay, certainly. Thank you. Do you have any preferences like sea view room or non-smoking rooms?
Yes, we'd like a sea view, please.
Okay, wait lang, ma'am. Let me check the availability. And yes, we do have a room for sea view room. It's available. The rate is 10,000 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds good. We'll take it.
Wonderful. Before anything else, I would like you to fill up this application form. And may I also have your passport for verifications?
Sure, here you go.
Okay.
Do you have ball pen?
Yes, we do have ball pen. Here, go. Thank you, ma'am. Here's your ID.
Thank you.
Your checkout date will be on September 13th. Please take note to late checkouts. After 12 p.m. will occur 50% of charge of the room rate. Wonderful, ma'am. How would you like to make your payment? Cash or card?
We'll pay by Visa credit card.
Okay, that's wonderful, ma'am. So, wonderful. Thank you. The total amount of your 5-night stay with us is 50,000 pesos. Please insert your PIN here. Wonderful. Payment successful, ma'am. Here's your guest card, breakfast coupon, and room key. So you'll be staying in a room 405.
Thank you.
Could you please escort our guests to their respective room? Their room is 405. Will you please also help them with their luggage? Ma'am, this is Kuya Paul, and I will be assisting you to your assigned rooms.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your stay here in Okada.
Certainly, this way ma'am. Welcome ma'am. Enjoy your stay.